In this video, I will show you how to work with templates. Of course, you don't always have to start with an empty board. We have some templates ready for you. There are two types of library. The official library is a selection of templates open to all Colorbot users. To insert a template, just click on the library button on the left side in your toolbar. Choose filter for language and category, or search to find what you need. Then drag and drop the template of your choice into the board. And the personal library is your personal selection, accessible only by you. You can save single object, whole areas, or even a collection of icons as a template. I hold down the Shift key and select the entire range here. Now just click on the three dots menu and select the Add to Library button here. And enter the name for this template. And that's it. You can see your templates immediately in your personal templates. With a click on the three dots, you can delete your template, rename it, or add it to your board via click or via drag and drop. What else is important to know about the templates? As soon as you have inserted your template into the board, you can make changes and customize it to according to your wishes. If you now refresh your browser, the features pin, lock, and hide are automatically activated because this is how we have standardized the templates. From this moment on, you're free to adapt these features. You can create the personal template with the advanced or enterprise license. Have fun and try it out.